everyone, it's Summer from Cosmic Crochet Reviews, and today I'm going to be packing up and reviewing the Kipling Jerimiah. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm really excited to have you here. I do bag packing videos, specifically Jujube and Kipling, but I have a few random accessories from different brands as well. Like today I'll be showcasing some Le Sport sack and a JanSport keychain, but we'll get into that later. This is a tote bag from Kipling. It's really beautiful. This is the smoke blue color. This was in my mom's bag collection and it really stood out to me because it's such a muted tone. So I just got a new job. I'm a rehab therapy tech at one of my local hospitals, and I don't have to bring as much with me, but a lot of the things that I do need will fit in this small bag. I've been changing out my bags pretty much every single day. So this is what has worked for me on lighter days. And if you have a similar job, I hope this can help you. This material is water resistant, it is super flexible, and it is durable. At the very front, we have attached to this tote strap is a little D-ring. We have their signature little monkey, and his name is Declan. I've also attached my keys. And the last thing that I have attached to the outside, this is actually a Jujube item. This is the Jujube Be Shady. This is in the print Tokidoki Iconic 2.0. And in here, I just keep my stoggles. Since I work in a hospital, we do have to have eye protection, and these are just stylish goggles. They're pink and I think they're really cute. Next, we have this really nice large zip pocket. This has their signature large zipper and zipper pull, and then again on the outside we just have a rubber Kipling logo. And in here I have a lot of my quick grab items. You can see that there's quite a bit of room and I can stick my hand all the way down. And then in here I keep some notebooks. I keep a lot of these little notebooks for sticking into my scrubs. I have them for various things. I also have Post-it notes. This dropped out, but I have a couple of tea bags just at the ready. And then here is just another little notebook. These are so cute. These are called pop-ins, I think, and they come in a pack of 10 from Staples. And here's the inside on a blank page. I love these. Again, I can use these to just stick quickly into my scrub pocket, and it just helps me keep track of what I'm doing during the day. The only other thing that I have in this pocket is a hand sanitizer, and then you can get these at Bath & Body Works. As I discussed, this is a tote bag, so this has the woven nylon reinforced tote straps or bag handles. And then the only other design feature on the outside is this really nice edging on both sides. It's kind of cute. I like it. It's different. So at the top we have this large zipper, and if you've watched my videos you will know that I'm obsessed with Kipling zippers. They're so smooth. They are these plastic zippers. They never get stuck. Well, I don't want to say never. They occasionally get stuck when I overstuff my bags, but they're really nice. Yes. Absolutely, yes, a million times yes. So this is the inside of the bag. I do have it stuffed pretty full. This is all that I take with me. We'll go through really quickly, take everything out, and then once we have everything out, I can show you the inner compartments. So the first thing that I have in here, this is my coin purse. This is the JanSport Lil Break in Primavera Field. So if you're looking for this is just a really cute coin purse. Absolutely love it. Next, I have, this is the Kipling Large Creativity Pouch in the print Wild Hearts. Sorry, you can hear my son in the background. The woes of having a kid. And then this is just my bathroom essentials. So I've got pads and tampons, hand sanitizer, chapstick, things like that I will need for that time of the month. The next thing that I have in this bag is the Kipling Extra Large Creativity Pouch, and this is in the print Luscious Floral White. I use this for snacks. You can tell the creativity pouch has 3 compartments that all zip up together at the top, but it expands at the bottom so you can fit a lot of stuff. Next, I have my wallet. This is the Le Sport Sac Lily wallet, and I don't know the exact print, but it is a floral print. I can show you quickly inside because this is a new wallet that I've never showcased before. Very thin, lightweight, love it. I also have, this is the Kipling Cute Pencil Case in Smoke Blue, and this color matches perfectly with this tote bag. I needed something else to put my pens in. So I have washi tape, and I decorated all of my favorite pens because I just felt like it yesterday. I felt like being a little crafty. And then I also have my planner. This is a really nice monthly spread from Walmart. All it has really is just like your month and then a short little page after that where you can do your goals and some other things. Kind of like a bullet journal, but really small. And I use this for work, so this is primarily my work planner. And then the only other thing that I have in here is my hairbrush. This is really nice, compact on the go, and I can just pop it in the pocket. I have one more pocket back here. So this is a inner zip pocket, and I'm gonna pull everything out. So I have various chapsticks. This is white out for some reason. Another white out, the tag, and then this is a microfiber cloth, and this is just for cleaning my stoggles. Lots of random stuff in that back pocket. So now that I've emptied out my purse, this is what the inside looks like. You can tell that it is pretty wide, and it's relatively deep. I will say that one of the things that I don't like is that it's not as deep as I'd like it to be. So if you have a clipboard or a folder, you cannot put it in vertically. You'd have to put it in horizontally if you want to zip it up. But we have the zip pocket here, which is pretty deep. I can stick my hand in it. And then on this side of the bag, on the front of the bag, we have 3 slip pockets, one for your pen and then 2 larger ones for various other things, and this is where I kept my hairbrush. All in all, I really love this purse. I think that it is a really great purse for work. You can use this for anything really. All right, that's it for today's video. It was a little chaotic. It's been a long time since I've made a bag packing video. I just really wanted to show you what I have in my purse, what I've been using, and I hope you like it. If you do, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. All right, until next time, bye-bye.